In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and tap on AutoFill with Google here. Now choose Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock. Click on eye icon to make your password visible, or if it's too long, select Edit and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!